Tough job interview questions, but this one is a softball. Why do you believe you're the best fit for this position? Your answer here should be because you said, and you want to state, you said you wanted A, B, and C for this position, and I have A, B, and C here. I've done these things. I'm educated in this. I have these contacts. I've done something very similar to it. And because of this, I'm a perfect fit for your job. You said the most challenging goal for this job in the next 90 days was X. I have done this before. I can do this for you. So the best fit is you said you wanted 1, 2, 3, and I have those. Don't you agree? If you don't agree, then let's talk about it some more so that we can come up with what it is that I have failed to communicate to you, because I am the best candidate for this role. And I've actually put together a blog article with some other ideas about how to handle this. You can go on the link below this video to it directly, or you can go to careerconfidential.com/blog and read it there. Best of luck.